SAFETECH is back and bigger than ever. Come experience the flavor of SAFETECH 2022 in Lexington, Kentucky at the newly renovated Griffin Gate Marriott Hotel. Your tasting flight for the week includes hands-on classes taught by the industry's best instructors. Brew up some new network connections at events like the swap meet, the live auction, the kickoff party, and so much more. Keep your glass full of knowledge about the latest products and tools at the trade show, and meet with industry suppliers one-on-one.
SAFETECH is the best place for networking with the finest safe and vault technicians in the industry.
You're learning from some of the veterans of the industry that you can't get anywhere else.
You won't be able to find this many safe and vault classes anywhere.
This is one event you can't afford to miss. What more proof do you need? Be a part of the mix of SAFETECH 2022. Register today.